first question on the board that was put today in the morning. It says Genesis 3:1. The snake asked the woman what Hashem said about the tree. English and Hebrew. In English and Hebrew. I've seen a Jewish website that said the forbidden fruit was a grape, fruit of the vine, or wine. Question: what was the forbidden fruit? Was it? What is the evidence that it was a grape versus an apple?
Okay, well, one second. So let me try to understand. So the only question from this, what we said, what was the fruit, or it was second question as well?
Yeah, I believe the question is what was the forbidden fruit?
Oh, forbidden fruit. It's something, but whatever was it, we don't know for sure was it, but it's not apple. That's for sure. That's a Christians. Our sages gave several options, and they discuss in the Medrash and Talmud also. What was it? So one option it was grape, another option it was figs, another option it was wheat. Right? Actually, wheat. I think there are a few more options, but I would not remember. But these three, the main ones, right? Grapes, because the grapes is very important in Jewish life, right? It's very important, like fruit, one of the most important fruit. Let's put it this way. And figs, because figs, based on logic, provided the leaves, right? For the Adam Chava to sew the aprons, right? Why? Because since because of this fruit. So I'm talking the logic, how they explain. This fruit was a cause of the sin, so now it's provided like remedy to fix it, to help somehow, right? And or wheat. So we don't know what was it. And wheat also, how did they explain wheat, if I remember correctly? So when a baby born, it cannot eat like solid foods, of course. I mean, everybody knows. And then we started to introduce solid foods little by little. But baby is a baby, that does not understand much. And when do we know that we're allowed to, it's you can teach a baby something, right? When it has some like mental capacity, when it starts eating grains. So when it starts eating wheat on a piece of bread, some cookies, this and that. So that's when the body is strong enough, right, to digest it. So it's actually not only to digest it, but this it's going to go to the brain. Right? That's now we know that it has some Daat. It's like wisdom in this baby. You understand? That's a breaking point. So that's the way I remember the expression for the wheat. I think it was few more, but I will not remember. But these three, the main ones. Okay. For sure, not an apple. Apple, for sure not. Okay. What else?
Take care, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
About this question, I heard some time ago that I'm not quite sure, but I believe I heard that in the Zohar it says that we actually don't know what the original sin was. I don't know if this is the shit from the Zohar.
No, it's not. We know exactly what the original sin was. It was Loshen Hara against Hashem. Right? The first sin was sin of the serpent. That he said that Hashem is afraid that you're going to eat from this fruit of knowledge, from the tree of knowledge, and you're going to be smart as him. You would be able to create the world, and it was accepted. Oh, that's why. Oh, I want. That's my dream to create the world, right? And the sins, the second sin, from Adam and Chava, that they ate from forbidden fruit. Hashem said, "Don't do one." They had only one mitzvah: do not eat from this fruit, and that's what they did. So that's the sin. Sin, you go against Hashem. Or first, as a snake is Loshen Hara.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.